And the weather tomorrow isn't going to be terrible. We'll probably start to see some showers later in the day and especially tomorrow night and into early Friday morning. Right now, today was beautiful. Plenty of blue sky and more of a spring-like feel as temperatures easily got into the 70s. Some spots almost 80 degrees. Compare that to our cloudy skies and high of only 57 yesterday. Now, dew points have been a little bit higher over the last couple of days. We started to get into some of that moisture. Winds out of the east at 6 miles an hour. And again, it was definitely a warmer day today, above average. 74 was our high, but boy, our morning low right at about normal at 53 degrees to start the day. Now we had 40s, 50s, so not nearly as cold, and that warming trend will continue. Tomorrow won't be nearly as chilly. And as I said, once that sun came out, boy, the temperatures kind of skyrocketed. Slidell had gotten up to 79 degrees, only topping out at 74 at Kenner. Now they quickly cooled down, so their high was 79 or maybe 80 degrees, but now they're at 69 degrees. It's still slightly drier air, but the clear skies does allow our temperatures to drop. Now the humidity has been increasing, so it is not going to be a chilly night, a little milder overnight, and also kind of that damp feel as we're starting to see some of that Gulf moisture surge back into the area. We've been under a lot of sunshine all day today, but that is short-lived as clouds will begin increasing overnight tonight in advance of an upper disturbance, which is pushing south. Now at the moment, this is the upper trough we have been talking about. Unfortunately, the base of this trough is going to become a cutoff low and stall over Texas. These creates the headaches that we deal with in forecasting because as that stalls to our west, our forecast does keep changing. What we do know is it's going to be a little warmer and a little more humid. We also know we will see rainfall. The big question then is the timing of the rain, and that's what we are trying to figure out. What also makes it difficult is trying to time out rain in a system that has not yet developed. That upper low is still pushing south. So eventually we will start to see more of a line of storms developing off to our west. Now, the big question is, do any storms surge out ahead of it? This model is saying not many. I've got us at about a 50% chance for late afternoon, evening showers on Thanksgiving, but this model is more like a 20-30% chance, and then more rainfall as we get into the overnight hours and early Friday morning. Now, our high resolution model indicates far more rain developing out ahead of the line, and not really much of a solid line during the afternoon and evening hours of Thursday. So even still, the model's very much different on how much rain we see ahead of that line, but they're all in decent agreement that we will see kind of most of the rain out ahead and with the line, and not until late Thursday, early Friday morning. And at the moment, it looks like we may see a period of drier weather for Black Friday before another round of rain heads our way. Again, with this upper low sitting off to our west, it just makes our forecasting a little bit more difficult to figure out. It really won't be until this moves out of here by the weekend that we finally start to see a quieter pattern. Then it looks like another trough starts to deepen and maybe sends a cold front on through by the middle of next week. So temperatures over the next couple of days, we will stay on the milder side. Now it does look like we'll have a weak front move through, so a little cooler as we head into the weekend, then a warming trend before another front moves through early next Wednesday morning.